So we're gonna powder some eggshells today to add some calcium to our smoothies, or you can put them in your coffee and whatever you want. I have about 12 eggs in here. If you don't eat a lot of eggs, you can start collecting these in the refrigerator or even freeze them, okay? But what I did is I washed them really well. Now I'm gonna put them in a pot and I'm going to let them boil for about 15 minutes to sterilize them. Eggshells are full of calcium carbonate, which is, what you need for your nails and your bones and your teeth. Mostly calcium is what they have. They have some protein, some selenium, some magnesium, and other minerals. But they're very good for you and they're free. You're already throwing them out, so you might as well use them. All right, now that these eggs have been boiling for 15 minutes, we're gonna transfer them to a paper towel. We're just gonna let the excess water drip out. So I'm transferring these to a lined baking sheet, as you can see. I'm gonna place these in an oven that's been preheating at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like 107 centigrade for 20 minutes. I want them to dry completely before we grind them. These are nice and dry, so now we're just gonna pulverize them. I'm gonna use a food processor. You can use a coffee grinder, a spice grinder, even a blender if you have one. Make sure your blender is, very powerful. I transferred the eggshells into a mortar because the food processor broke them up really well, but I want them to be really powdered. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this by hand and finish them up. I'm happier with this now. Guys, half a teaspoon of this will give you between 400 and 500 milligrams of calcium. So you can add it to your smoothies or whatever you want, your coffee, your tea. It will keep in a closed container in a dry, cool place like your pantry or cabinet for about a month. The next video this week is going to be a calcium-rich smoothie, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.